Lot of requests were coming. What is a bullish breaker block? Okay, now listen to this very carefully. A bullish breaker block will appear, and this is a picture perfect example of what is a bullish breaker block. Obviously, these are ICT's terms, Michael's terms, but the ones which work perfectly, this is one of them. Now here's what you guys are seeing. This yellow line, this is actually a liquidity level. Now this liquidity level could be previous day low, previous session low, or any low that is showing us a possibility of a market changing its direction. Could be previous, which means 3 days low. If this was closer to this one, you will wait for a breaker block to form. Now, what's going to happen is this will start from, let me show you that. There would be a high, low, and then high, and then low. Now this low should take the liquidity of this low. Okay. Now see that the first one was this high came down, made a low, then again a high, and again a low. Now this wick, this blue wick took the liquidity of this low. Now if all candles in this leg, let me mention the legs for you. If all candles in this leg are bullish and the candles then close above this level, like you guys can see in this level. Now I'm talking about this leg. If this leg is bullish, all candles needs to be bullish, and then it needs to move away and take the liquidity of this low as well, and then the candle is closing, this bullish candle is closing above this high. This triggers and qualifies these two candles as a bullish breaker block. Now some of you ask me, then what if this whole thing is created somewhere here or in between here or a little bit on it? It can happen anywhere after the liquidity. All of this structure can form here or down here or even down here. After sweeping out the liquidity, this should happen. And when the candle is closing above this, and there is a FVG, as you can see here, in front of these bullish up close candles, this means that this breaker block will perform obnoxiously good. Not a financial advice, these things may stop you out as well, but what you are seeing here in this area is a 5-minute New Zealand USD chart. What you guys are seeing here in this area is the human behavior. Some sellers and buyers, they behaved in a way that market turned into a bullish market. So what a bullish breaker block is explaining, that the behavior of humans, this chart is showing you the picture of it. Sellers and then buyers. Some of you also ask me, what about, one white candle here or one bearish candle? No trade. Now I am not going to trade this unless and until I see bullish candles, all bullish candles, and then in front of this there should be a fair value gap. And here we can see there is a gap. Now when the price will come back in this breaker block, I'm going to take my entry. I hope this is way more clearer than I could have made. And if you have questions, you can ask me. This action can form anywhere. After taking liquidity, the candle should not close below or high. Once it is forming near to liquidity after taking it, you are going to enter a trade. And in this scenario, no high hopes. As you all know me, I am not hoping for all the, if I'm entering here, then I am focusing of this high or that high. No, I am only focusing on the highs which are recent. As Michael says, that recent liquidity, do not go for long trades which you are not sure of that they are going to end up long. In this scenario, if I have entered here, my target would have been midnight open. Simple. This line is midnight open. I took a buy in the discount zone, not in the premium zone. I hope this is clear. If you guys still have questions, you can ask me. Let me do a little recap of this bullish breaker. A price, when the price is coming from a high, makes a low, then high, then takes the liquidity of this low, and then closes above this high. You will see in this leg all bullish candles, and then you will see a fair value gap here in front of the bullish breaker towards the upside. Now, thank you so much. You guys have a very nice day. Bye bye. Two times. Bye bye.